Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. So before we even get started on this video, please hit the subscribe button down below right now, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos. First come, first serve every week. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look with a classic Cutie by MAC makeup, keep on watching. Hey guys, before we get started on this video, sorry about my camera. I don't know what's going on with it, but before we get started on this classic Cutie palette by MAC makeup, I am going to time lapse all of my foundation and stuff like that because I don't want to bore you guys with it and make a long video out of it. So here I go. Okay, so I'm back, guys. I am not going to use my e.l.f. eyelid primer today because I'm kind of in a hurry. But this is from my Black Friday video. If you have not seen that, hop on over there and check it out. I picked this up at TJ Maxx for $14.99. I just took it out of the wrapper. I have used this palette already, and I wasn't too impressed. I've used it twice. The second time, I did a way better job, so I wanted to do a tutorial on it for you guys. It's called the Classic Cutie, and this is what it looks like. It's basically like the risk taker that I have. I got this from a friend for free, and I might add in some other colors from the Risk Taker palette too to make it more like pretty, I guess. So here's the colors, very pretty. They're shimmery purples. So I am just going to start out with, I found my brush in like another drawer. I have used these before. I don't know the name of it. So I'm just going to start off with this one right here, this big one. And I will insert pictures. Yeah, I'll insert pictures when I'm done. Ooh, this, it's like a whitish purple. Do it again on the other eye. So I don't know about you guys, but I took a break on Thanksgiving holiday because I was so wore out. I was so tired. So now I'm gonna go in with this brighter purple lavender color, and I am going to add some purple. It's not really showing up on my eyes. And there you go. It is a little bit. So now I'm going to go back with this big purple one. I did not mean to shine it in your eyes. And I'm just going to add some more purple in there. Okay, so now I am going to add this like brownish color right here. And guys, if you have not seen my Black Friday video, you should hop on over there, check it out. I did a get ready with me for Thanksgiving too. And guys, I'm very, very bummed and sad. I did not make my goal by Black Friday of 25,000. So I'm very sad about that. Because you guys are the only ones that can help me do it. And I basically feel like I posted on Instagram. If you don't follow me over there, you should check it out because I post more more stuff on Instagram than on here, and I do it on a daily basis. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, please do. It's in about and or on the top of my page, and you click on my Instagram link and you can click follow me there. But yeah, this is my passion and stuff like that. Like, I love doing this stuff, and I don't like being put down or anything. It's just rude and not fun. And like, a lot of people that I know personally have done that, but other people are like, oh, you're doing such an amazing job. You know, you're an inspiration. So I'm just going over with this one. So guys, please help me reach my goal of 25,000 views this week alone. Please, please, please. I'm so close. Please help me. So I'm not trying to beg you or anything, but you know, you would be sad too if you didn't reach your goal and you were asking people to help you. So now I'm going to go in with the shimmery colors, and I'm going to do this dark one. Oh, it's pretty. And don't worry, I'm not gonna wear this shirt today and just put it on for the video, because it kind of clashes with makeup, I think. So now I'm gonna go in with this shimmery one, and I'm going to add it to my eye. So now I'm gonna take this darker one. It's kind of like a plummy brown. I'm going to add it to, it's just a lighter purple than I'm used to. And so, I don't know, I kind of like it today. So, now I am going to put my mascara on. Oh, I forgot to blend it all out. So now I'm going to take my Real Technique brush and just start blending it all out. You guys know that I love blending. So I'm using the CoverGirl Clump Crusher, and I am just going in and putting it on my eyelash, and then going down below. There we go. Now I'm going back in again. So I am going to change my shirt and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the classic Cutie by MAC, their palette. This is how it turned out. Turned out pretty well today. I'm kind of getting used to it and I like it. So it was only $14.99 at TJ Maxx. So if you like this look and you want to get the palette, I would go check TJ Maxx out. I don't know if MAC still has it online or not. You can check it out, but it's a pretty good deal because they run for about $40 each. I've seen at Ulta Beauty, I've seen on their website and stuff. So this is how it turned out. Please like this video. Please also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.